Kiddos, welcome back to Brush and Spoon. I hope all you kids are keeping yourself active with some kind of an activity. And yes, for crafting part, today I thought I will teach you a very cute upcycled art which can be used as a coin collector and as a night lamp also. It's like a two-in-one craft. And I thought, like, since we are doing a lot of craft for the girls part, I thought why not I teach you something with a Superman or a Spider-Man character. So today I've chosen the theme as Spider-Man. So let's get crafting. So first I've taken this plastic bottle and lid la vandu or slit madri cut pannirken. So using the help of your parents you can do it. Since it's a plastic case, you can just do a slit. So before we go on, what I'll do is I'm going to paint this plastic bottle, like the container whatever we have taken, I'm going to paint it. So this is acrylic paint, so directly I start using the paint on it. So now I've completely painted this bottle, so I'm just keeping it aside. So we'll start doing with the Spider-Man face part. So I'm taking the red sheet, I'm keeping the stencils of the Spider-Man face we have cut, and I'm marking the outline. So just go with the line and complete the outline. So now the outline is done. So I'm going to do the eyes. So the eyes part is done. So using a thin black brush, I'm just going to start giving the detailing. I'm just going to do the eyes, the outline for it. And I'm going to give these lines. So this you can, if you're not comfortable using a brush, you can even use a sketch pen or a marker, black marker. Let it be a permanent marker so it looks bold. Then I'm just going to give these web kind of an effect. So the web effect also is given. So I'm just giving it 5 to 10 minutes drying time, and then I'm going to start filling it with white. See, fill white only after the black is completely dried. Illana adu vandu or gray madri mix aayi or shade maaridum. So just na ipo vandu appadiye wetta panniterken, but you have to give it some drying time before you start with the next color. So now you can do this. So now what we do is we cut the outline. So I'm going to use the foam sheet and this black and this, and I'm going to cut an outline with this. So black when I'm going to cut enna panna porena, in the red konjo excess I'm going to keep and I'm going to cut it. So using the scissors we will cut that part. So you see I've just cut it. I've cut the Spider-Man face and the black and the foam sheet. So now using adhesive I'm going to secure both the black and the Spider-Man face I've already secured. So I'm going to secure this also. So apply the glue and slowly paste it. Konjo white theranja onnum problem illa. So neatly we stick it like this. So then what I'm going to do is on the reverse side I am going to apply the adhesive. I'm going to apply the adhesive and I'm going to paste it on the painted jar. So whichever position you want you can keep it and paste it. Give it some drying time. So your piggy bank jar is ready. So the lid is also there. So what you do is give it some nice drying time. So the bottle is ready. I've actually stuck this Spider-Man also, so the bottle is completely ready. So you can place it wherever you want. So in your study table or wherever you want, like bedside table or something, and you can just arrange your toys and all that. So now that Spider-Man piggy bank is completely ready and you can use it. See, this is a piggy bank so you can put in the coins or notes in the slit that is available. And if you also want to change it into a cute little night lamp, I'll give you a tip. You can put in this Christmas lights inside, and you can even use them as a beautiful night lamp. So this is a 2-in-1 craft, so which you can try it out. A piggy bank in the morning and a beautiful night lamp in the night. Happy crafting. So kiddos, I think all of you have followed this process of craft, whatever I've done. So I've done a Spider-Man theme, so you can choose a Batman, Superman, whatever theme you like, Iron Man. Process is same, the background color you choose according to their characters, and first paint them and get the logo done. So it's very simple. If you don't have foam sheet, you can use even paper also. So it's very simple and you do it. But when you're doing the cut and the male slit பண்ணும்போது மாத்திரம், please get parental guidance and do it. So I want all you kids to try out this craft, and it's a very cute gift also which you can give to your loved ones and friends also. So do all this craft and do share the photos with me, so I can see how great you guys are doing with your craft work. So happy crafting, stay home and stay safe.